Hello everybody and welcome to another great episode of Hillbilly Wine 101 Sunday morning coffee reviews. Got something interesting for you. We are going to compare decaf with regular. I got the same Kroger brand coffee, medium roast. Kroger brand coffee, medium roast. I made it the exact same way with the exact same amount of water. Let me explain something real quick. I always thought that decaf was superior or inferior in flavor and quality and everything else. And a lot of times they will use probably not the best beans. But doing research for this video, I found out a lot of stuff. First, there's two methods to take the caffeine out. Both of them, I won't bore you with it. One's they steam it and they use chemicals, and then they re-steam it. And the other one is they soak it and they use chemicals. Harsh chemicals. Takes all the caffeine out, or most of the caffeine out, and then they rinse it, and in one case they steam it again, and supposedly then when they roast them, all the chemical is gotten rid of, supposedly. The government tests it, they say it's safe, take it for what it's worth. They did a few studies I read to where they did tastings of the decaf and the regular, and really people couldn't tell the difference. You can tell it's different, but you can't tell it's different. Some people actually prefer decaf. It's more fruity, supposedly. It's got a little different flavor. So I came away with a whole new, thought on it. Some people say I don't care about the caffeine. I want a quality cup of coffee. I wouldn't care for that caffeine or not. Most people like the caffeine. Caffeine has no taste. I guess I would rather just have a good cup of coffee. Then I don't really drink this for caffeine. I drink it because I love the flavor of it. So anyway, like I said, same roast, same everything. Now I'm going to do a smell test here. It's a lot different. It smells more chocolatey, more nutty. Yeah, just I'd say a little more intense actually, the smell of this particular. But I mean, you smell it. What's that smell like? Coffee. What's this smell like? Coffee. Smell them together. Definitely a big difference. I think I like the regular smell better. Right. It's just a little more intense smell. So, let's try it. Okay, I got the greens decaf and the others regular. Try the regular. And I'm not trying to fool myself and see what one, I'm just trying to see what one I like better. I'm not trying to guess what one's decaf, and I know that. I don't care about guessing. I want to know if there's a flavor difference and what it is. Alright. Evil Eyed coffee. It's like a restaurant coffee. Just mild flavor. It's medium roast, so just a mild coffee. Not an intense coffee. Not a lot of flavors in here. Smelled real good. Smelled real strong. And then mild flavors of that smell. Mild nuttiness, mild chocolateness, but mainly just if you concentrate, it's basically the coffee taste. Now we'll try the decaf. In this particular brand, the decaf is more mild, less of a coffee flavor. If I gave you these side by side, this would taste kind of like a light beer compared to a regular. Some people might prefer that. It's not as, let me see. Yeah. definitely a difference. I can see where some people would like this better, or like this better. I mean, there's not. Let me say this: there's not a distinct, oh my God, this is great or normal, and this really sucks. That's not there. They're different, but they're both good for what they are. It's a cheap, you know, store coffee. It says they source their coffee from all over the world, so it's not even like I can't tell you it's a certain kind of coffee. But like I say, it's the same maker, same roast, medium roast. So. I really don't know what one it kind of tastes good in its own way. It really does. So does that. Here's what I'm going to tell you. If you drink these black, I think I like the decaf better. If you put cream, sugar, anything like that, I think that the regular would be better because it's a stronger flavor and it's going to hold up to the dilution of the cream or the you know, flavored cream, regular heavy cream, or any kind of sugar. Then this would probably, the coffee flavor might shine through a little more. But I think this way it'll be washed out. So it's a fun experiment. Give it a try. I think you'll find it very interesting. And if you do the research, you'll find out that in general, this regular coffee is better because they use a better coffee usually. But if they're using the same quality coffee, then it's going to be a preference. And if you do it blindly, you might be surprised. All right? So, from Hillbilly Wine, Sunday Morning Coffee Edition, I hope this was a little bit enlightening. It was for me when I started doing the research, and it kind of proved out the way that the research said it would. So, everybody have a wonderful, wonderful Sunday.